These 4D cinema videos are blowing up right now. A movie plays on a giant theater screen, and then the scene bursts right out into the crowd. Dust, water, fire, whatever the film is. And I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself using a simple workflow we put together. First, open your browser and go to aicenturies.com. On the left sidebar, click GPT Library. This is where all our custom GPTs live. In the search box, type Break the Screen, open it, and click Start Chat. Now, click Start. The GPT gives you 10 cinematic ideas to pick from. You can type a number, type more for 10 fresh ideas, or type your own. I'll type my own idea, a dinosaur charging through a jungle chase with dust, leaves, and debris blasting out toward the viewer. Then send it. Give it a few seconds. You'll get a full prompt pack back. Mine comes in as a dinosaur breakout series with 3 scenes. Each scene has a base image prompt and a matching video prompt already written for you. Now, let's turn that into our first image. Head over to OpenArt. Go to the Image tab and click Create Image. Under Model, switch it to GPT Image 2. Open the output settings, set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube and the resolution to 2K, then turn the quality up to high. Paste your prompt into the box and click Generate. A few seconds later, you get your shot. A T-Rex charging down a jungle road on the giant screen, the crowd filming on their phones, and your name up on the wall. It gives you a few versions, so pick the cleanest one. I also ran a few other scenes through it, a King Kong smash, a spaceship battle, and a volcano eruption. The results were solid. Now let's bring it to life. Switch to the Video tab, open the Text with Reference tab, and under Model, switch it to Seedance 2.0. Click Upload and add your image as the reference. Then go back to your prompt pack, copy the matching video prompt for that scene, and paste it in. Open the output settings, keep the aspect ratio at 16:9, set the resolution to 1080p, turn audio on, and set the duration to 8 seconds. Then click Generate. While that one renders, you can queue a second version. Bump the duration up to 10 seconds and hit Generate again, so you've got both to pick from. Give them a minute. And there's the result. The T-Rex chases the Jeep across the screen, then a huge wall of dust and debris bursts out over the crowd, and the camera shakes as everyone films it, exactly like the viral ones. Personally, the 10-second version came out better than the 8-second one. The burst has more room to land and the crowd reaction feels bigger. I also ran those other images through Seedance the same way, so I ended up with a whole set of these clips. You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.